Find features that distinguish it from other brands for DJiEX, 34-inch, curved ultrawide gaming monitor, 165 Hz. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, it consists of the following features. Immersive 1500R curvature. 34-inch curved monitor. Immerse yourself in your work and gaming with the 1500R curved design, providing a wider field of view and enhanced depth perception. The curved structure creates a more natural viewing experience, drawing you into the action on screen. Smooth gaming performance. Enjoy a seamless gaming experience on our 34-inch ultra-wide curved monitor with 165 Hz high refresh rate, DP interface. HDMI interface can reach 144 Hz. Ensuring smooth visuals and reducing screen tearing. AMD FreeSync technology synchronizes your graphics card with your monitor's refresh rate for a responsive, tear-free gaming experience. Take your gaming to the next level with our responsive displays. Vivid visuals. Experience stunning visuals on our 34-inch curved gaming monitor with a brightness of 300 CD per square meter, 8-bit color depth, and 99% sRGB coverage. Immerse yourself in rich and vivid colors, while HDR technology further enhances your gaming experience. Enjoy enhanced visual clarity and depth that bring games to life on our curved computer screen. Enhanced connectivity options. 34-inch monitor. Connect effortlessly to your favorite devices with multiple connectivity options including HDMI 2.0, X2, DisplayPort 1.4, X2, and Audio Out X1. Seamlessly switch between your PC, laptops, and more for versatile usage. With wall mounting compatibility, 100x100mm, customize your setup to suit your space and preferences. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.